Welcome to Continuously Building. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a model we downloaded from TurboSquid all the way into an ARKit app. First thing we're going to do is search for, say, a sofa on TurboSquid. This is a nice mid-century modern piece. I think we'll go with that. Once we've downloaded the model and textures, we could take it and put it directly into Xcode. But first, I want to take a moment and tweak some of the properties in Blender. So let's open up Blender and go to File, Import, OBJ. Now we've imported our sofa, but it looks really big. So we're going to scale it down to a smaller size. To do that, we hit the S key and move our cursor to the origin. Left click to set it. We don't want the full-size sofa, just the armchair, so we're going to delete the sofa. Notice what happened here, though. The origin is way over there, and the armchair is over here. Even if I move the armchair over to the center, the origin is going to move in the same direction. So we need to move the origin to right beneath the armchair. In order to do that, we're going to set our 3D cursor to the point we want our origin to be. The 3D cursor is that red and white ring with the crosshair off to the right of our chair. We're going to move that to 0, 0, 0 by opening up this panel and adjusting the 3D cursor coordinates. Now we hit the following keystrokes: Control, Alt, Shift, and C, and we can select Origin to 3D Cursor in the menu. Now, when dealing with AR, it's important to make sure your objects have realistic dimensions to them, or when they get added to our AR scene, they're not going to look right. So I've done a little bit of research on the common dimensions of armchairs, and we're going to use a width of 99 centimeters, a height of 83.82 centimeters, and a depth of 1.0414 meters. Now that our object is centered and sized for the real world, let's get it added to our app. First, we need to export the model by going to File, Export, OBJ. In Xcode, let's create a new folder called Armchair. We'll drag and drop the object and materials we downloaded earlier, and we can see here that the object is completely blacked out. When we select it, we can see that the origin is correctly set based on what we did in Blender. Also, we can see that the dimensions of the bounding box are properly set as well. Now let's convert the object file to a scene kit file and add an ambient light. Now let's add a directional light. This looks good. Let's add our materials now. To do that, we just drag the fabric_diff file over to the diffuse property. And let's also drag the bump file over to the normal property. That's a little intense, so let's tone it down a little bit. Now we're going to just add a simple mocha color to the wooden legs for now. Let's run the app. Select Armchair, and now it's been added to our scene. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.